How to replace a 2022 Lincoln Aviator 5-button smart key remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
All right, let's go ahead and change the battery out on our 5-button remote. Doesn't matter what your button configuration here for the Ford, Lincoln, it's all the same. This could be a trunk, this could be a hatch, this could be a cargo door for the Ford Transit. That being said, if your key ring's attached, leave it on, doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and release the emergency blade. Some people use this and they push down right here. I'm not a fan of that, but it works. I like to put a flat tip right here. As you notice, twist, notice the cover pops up. And when it does, lift up. Be careful when you lift up, because as you notice, there's a little tang right here. Now that that's out, this is your 2450 battery. Easy. Take your new one, put it in, push down. Sometimes it'll latch, sometimes it won't. These little tabs, doesn't matter. This housing will lock it down in there. Remember that little tab? Slide it in, push down, squeeze, put your emergency blade back in. And there you go, you've done it. Hey, thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.